Children, today is our English subject. Today's new letter is N, capital letter N. N for nest, N for night, N for nurse. N says nest, night, nurse. How can write N letter? Look carefully, children. One standing line, one slanting line, again join one standing line. N, capital letter N. Standing line, slanting line, again join one standing line. Standing line, slanting line, again standing line. Standing line, slanting line, again standing line. Okay, children, this is capital letter N. You have to trace and write in your textbook. Circle capital N. Only you have to circle capital letter N. Big letter N. N. Capital letter N and capital letter N. Okay. Letter is N. Small letter N. Trace the pattern to complete the nail polishes. Standing line, then join a small curve. Standing line, curve. Standing line, join a small curve. You have to trace the pattern to complete the nail polish. Okay. Standing line, curve. Okay. How can write small letter N? Trace this N letter. Standing line, a small curve. One standing line, then a small curve. Standing line, small curve. You have to write in middle line. This blue line you have to trace and write small letter N. Okay. Next is listen and repeat the names of the pictures that begin with N. N for needle, N for napkin, N for notebook, N for numbers. Next is circle the pictures that begin with N letter. Firstly, I will say all the pictures name. N for necklace, N for needle, N for numbers, N for nib, N for nine, mango, tiger. M for mango, T for tiger. N for nest, N for noodles, N for nail, N for nose, N for net. Children, you have to circle only the pictures that begin with N letter. Yes, N for necklace, N for needle, N for numbers, N for nib, N for nine, N for nest, N for noodles, N for nail, N for nose, N for net. These two pictures start with different letters. This is M for mango and this is T for tiger. Okay, children. This letter is O, capital letter O and small letter O. O for ostrich, O for octopus, O for orange. How can write O letter? Look carefully. It's very easy to write this letter. O. O. You have to trace and write O letter. Okay. Children, you have to trace and write O letter in your textbook and also in your notebook. Circle capital O. You have to circle only capital letter O. Big letter O. This is big letter O. Big letter O. Capital letter O. 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 Big letter O. Big letter O. Big letter O. These are small O, small letter O. Okay, children. Next is small letter O. Trace the pattern to complete the oranges. You have to trace all this pattern and complete oranges. O. You have to trace like this and complete the pattern. Complete the oranges. Okay, children. Now, how can write small letter O? You have to trace all letter O in between the two lines. Small letter O. Small letter O. Okay. O for orange. O for olives. O for oil. O for ox. Match the same words by seeing their letters. Firstly, I read all the letters. O for orange, O for oil, O for olive, O for ox. Look at the another side. Here are same words. Olive, orange, ox, oil. So you have to trace, match the words, match the same words. Okay. orange, orange, and where is same word? Yes, here. So you have to trace orange, orange. oil, oil. oil, oil. Olive, olive, olive. Yes, here same word. Olive. Ox, ox. Yes, here is same word. Ox, ox. Understand, children? This is your homework. Write N and N. Write capital O and small letter O in your textbook and also in your notebook. Okay.